If you've ever managed a busy project in Jira, you know that running multiple sprints at the same time, also known as parallel sprints, can be a huge time saver, especially for larger teams working on different features or sub-projects. But by default, Jira only lets you run one sprint at a time in a company-managed project. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable and use parallel sprints in Jira, so you can keep your teams moving forward without waiting for one sprint to end before starting another. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up and manage parallel sprints with total confidence. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the left-hand panel in your Jira project. Take a look at the menu and find the section labeled Plans. Click on that. If you're not seeing plans, just make sure your permissions are set up correctly or check with your Jira admin. In company-managed projects, some options are permission-driven. Once you're in the Plans section, look towards the top right corner of your screen for those familiar three little dots. They're sometimes called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots. It may take a second for the dropdown to appear. Don't worry if it takes a moment, especially if your project has a lot going on. Now in the dropdown list, select Admin Configuration. This is where you'll find project-specific admin settings that control how your boards and sprints behave. From here, click into Jira Configuration. For some, this might sound a bit technical, but think of it like the control panel for how your project boards are set up behind the scenes. Once inside Jira Configuration, you'll want to look for the option labeled Parallel Sprints for company-managed spaces. This is the key setting that lets you run as many sprints as you need, side by side. Find the toggle switch. It should currently be off. Flip that switch to turn parallel sprints on. You might see a quick confirmation message pop up just to let you know your settings have been updated. If you're ever unsure whether it worked, you can always return and check if the toggle is green or enabled. Now with parallel sprints turned on, let's put this new power to use. Head back to your project's backlog. This is essentially your command center, a prioritized list of all the tasks and stories waiting to be tackled. Here, you'll see the option to add a sprint, usually at the top or just below your backlog items. Go ahead and add your first sprint. Give it a name that makes sense for your team, for example, Front-End UI Sprint. Once your sprint is created and you've added any initial issues or stories, click Start Sprint. The board should refresh and show this sprint as active. Here, where Jira used to stop you from starting another sprint, but not anymore. Let's test that out now. Go back to your backlog. Don't worry, your first sprint will keep running. Now add a second sprint. This could be something like Backend API Sprint or whatever fits your workflow. After adding it, just like before, click Start Sprint on this new one. You'll notice that both sprints are running side by side and you can drag stories between them as needed. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few configuration steps, you now have the flexibility to manage multiple concurrent sprints in Jira, making it much easier to support parallel feature development or separate goals within the same project. If something didn't quite work, double-check your permissions or make sure your project is company-managed, not team-managed, as that setting is specific. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Jira feature you'd like to see a walkthrough of. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more clear step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next video.